Welcome to our video on the Bigscreen Beyond VR headset. This virtual reality headset has been generating a lot of buzz and excitement among VR enthusiasts and gamers alike. With its unique features, it stands out from the competition and promises to take your VR experience to the next level. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Bigscreen Beyond and discuss its key features that make it one of the most talked about VR headsets on the market today. When it comes to VR headsets, one of the biggest concerns for many users is comfort. After all, if you're going to be wearing a device on your head for an extended period of time, it's important that it fits well and doesn't cause any discomfort or strain. Fortunately, the Bigscreen Beyond VR headset seems to have comfort as one of its top priorities. One of the standout features of the Beyond is its compact and lightweight design. According to Bigscreen, it's the world's smallest VR headset, coming in at just under 6 ounces with the strap. This is a significant reduction in weight compared to many other VR headsets on the market, such as the HTC Vive Flow, which weighs 6.6 ounces. Of course, a lightweight design is only one aspect of comfort. The Beyond also features a number of customization options to ensure a comfortable fit for every user. Rather than using knobs or other controls to adjust the fit, Bigscreen has developed an iPhone app that allows users to scan their face and produce a custom-fitted Beyond design. This means that every user can have a headset that is tailored specifically to their head shape and size. One negative aspect about the device is the need to use special lenses with the Beyond if you wear glasses. While the headset comes with standard lenses, users who wear glasses need custom prescription lenses to ensure that they can enjoy the full VR experience. The Beyond also features an optional audio strap that provides additional comfort. The strap includes built-in headphones and a microphone, allowing users to hear and communicate with others in virtual environments without having to wear separate headphones. The Bigscreen Beyond VR headset boasts some impressive display and graphics features that make it stand out from most other VR headsets on the market. One of the standout features of the Beyond is its high-resolution OLED displays, which provide a stunning level of visual clarity and detail. With a resolution of 2560 by 2560 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate, the displays deliver a smooth visual experience that's perfect for gaming and other VR applications. The high resolution is better than many of the other VR headsets currently available, including the MetaQuest Pro and HTC Vive XR Elite. Another key feature of the Beyond's display system is the 3-element pancake optics, which work to reduce the screen door effect that can sometimes be a problem with other VR headsets. This effort is caused by the gaps between pixels on the display, which can create a distracting grid-like pattern. However, the Beyond's pancake optics work to eliminate this problem by smoothing out the image and providing a much more natural-looking view. In addition to its high-resolution displays and advanced optics, the Beyond also offers a wide field of view that makes it easier to get fully immersed in the virtual world. With a horizontal field of view of 93 degrees, users can get a much more expansive view of their virtual surroundings, which can make a big difference when it comes to overall enjoyment. The Bigscreen Beyond VR headset does not come with controllers. Instead, it relies on the supported Steam VR platform. It's compatible with a wide range of controllers and full-body trackers, including the Vive and Valve's Index. This compatibility ensures that users have access to a vast array of games and experiences, and can use their preferred controllers. The Beyond's tracking system is based on external Steam VR base stations that enable 6 degrees of freedom tracking. This means that users can move around freely and interact with the virtual environment just as they would in real life. The external tracking system offers several advantages over built-in cameras, such as greater accuracy and a wider range of motion. However, it also requires additional setup and can be less convenient than built-in tracking. It also adds another thing that you have to buy for it to work properly. While the Beyond's tracking system is generally reliable and accurate, some users have reported issues with tracking performance in certain situations. For example, fast movements or poor lighting conditions can sometimes cause the system to lose track of the controller or headset. Additionally, the lack of built-in cameras means that the headset cannot perform some advanced tracking features, such as hand and finger tracking. For content and games, the Bigscreen Beyond also relies on Steam VR. There are numerous VR games and applications available on Steam VR and other platforms that are compatible with the Bigscreen Beyond. From popular first-person shooters to exploration and puzzle games, there is something for every type of gamer. Some of the most popular VR games on Steam VR include Half-Life Alyx, Beat Saber, Superhot VR, and Pistol Whip. On the flip side, if your favorite application is not Steam VR compatible, then you cannot use this headset. The Bigscreen Beyond is also capable of running demanding games smoothly, thanks to its powerful hardware and high refresh rate. The 90Hz refresh rate and pancake optics contribute to a great experience. Moreover, the Beyond offers some unique features and experiences that set it apart from other VR headsets. For example, users can enjoy watching movies and sports events on a giant virtual screen in a cinema-like environment. The Beyond also supports social interactions in virtual spaces where users can connect and socialize with other players. The Bigscreen Beyond VR headset offers a seamless connection to a PC through a link box, which provides both video and power. This means that the headset is tethered to a PC and requires a high-end computer to run smoothly. Users can connect the link box to their PC via a USB-C cable, and the headset itself uses a proprietary cable to connect to the link box. This setup may be less convenient than wireless options, but it offers a reliable and high-quality connection with minimal latency and lag. One potential limitation with the Beyond's connectivity is the length of the cable. The proprietary cable that connects the headset to the link box is around 5 meters, 16.4 feet long, which should be sufficient for most users. However, some users may need a longer cable, especially if they have a large room-scale VR setup. In addition, the cable may become tangled or snagged during use, which can be frustrating and disrupt the experience. Another factor to consider is compatibility with the user's PC setup. The Beyond requires a powerful gaming PC with a dedicated graphics card, which can be a significant investment for some users. Additionally, the headset may not be compatible with all PCs or laptops, so check your system requirements before purchasing. As for battery life, the Beyond does not have a built-in battery and relies on the link box for power. This means that users do not need to worry about charging the headset, but they do need to be near a power outlet. The link box itself requires an AC adapter to function, so users will need to ensure they have a suitable power source nearby. The Bigscreen Beyond VR headset is not cheap, with a price tag of around $999. This puts it in the same price range as other high-end VR headsets like the MetaQuest Pro and the Valve Index. The question is it worth the investment? When it comes to VR headsets, price is always going to be a consideration. VR enthusiasts and gamers are always looking for the best value for their money. While the Beyond is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, it's important to consider what you're getting. Compared to some other VR headsets, the Beyond has a lot of unique features that set it apart. The compact and lightweight design, customizable fit, and high-resolution displays all contribute to an immersive and comfortable VR experience. Additionally, the compatibility with various controllers and full-body trackers allows for even more customization and flexibility. However, it's important to note that the Beyond does have some limitations and potential drawbacks. For example, the connectivity may be an issue for some users, especially if they're limited by cable length or compatibility with their PC setup. You also need to buy additional hardware to get the full experience, including SteamVR base stations and compatible controllers. When deciding whether the Beyond is worth the investment, it's important to consider your own needs and priorities. If you're a VR enthusiast or a gamer who's looking for a high-quality and customizable VR experience, the Beyond is a good choice for you. However, if you're more price-sensitive and looking for a budget-friendly option, there may be other VR headsets that better suit your needs. So to wrap things up, the Bigscreen Beyond VR headset is a compelling option for VR enthusiasts and gamers alike. Its lightweight and compact design, coupled with the customizable fit, makes it a comfortable and easy-to-use headset. The high-resolution OLED displays and pancake optics provide an impressive visual display and clarity, while the 6 degrees of freedom tracking and compatibility with various controllers and full-body trackers offer a truly immersive experience. The connectivity and battery life are reasonable, and the price point is competitive with other high-end VR headsets on the market. While there are some limitations with the tracking and connectivity, The Bigscreen Beyond offers a great overall value proposition for VR enthusiasts and gamers who want to experience the latest and greatest in VR technology. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more VR-related content. Stay tuned for updates on the latest VR releases and events that may interest you. We would also really appreciate if you could tell us what topics you're interested in inside the VR world. That would help us a lot when creating new videos. Thanks for watching, and we invite you to share this video with others who may be interested in the Bigscreen Beyond VR headset.